In this video, we're going to mount the front fender and also the skid plate. It's only going to require an 8mm socket to do that. We've got a few fasteners, 4 for the front fender and the thicker washers, and then a little narrower washer and 3 hex head screws for the skid plate. Now we've got the front fender just resting on the tire. You'll note that there's a plate here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 holes that are going to be mounted. That plate's held on with 1 screw. That's an 8mm as well. So if these weren't aligned properly or if that's loose, go ahead and tighten that down. Make sure these are aligned so that the bolts can go up through the fender. It's just going to be held up here, and then those fasteners go in the bottom. Now we're ready to mount the skid plate. We're going to use those 3 bolts and washers to do that. Same thing, just use the 8mm socket to fasten these on. Now would be a good time to mention, if you haven't done so, take a look at the aluminum aftermarket skid plate we offer. It's much more substantial than this plastic shield that comes from the factory. This will give you some protection, but that aluminum really wraps around the bottom frame, especially for you guys that are going to be out there riding in the dirt.